See friends, in this session we will discuss some number series problems which are given in the previous examination. See friends, first problem 19, 25, 42, 71, 113. See friends, in previous sessions what I told you, first we have to find the difference. That is the fundamental formula. See friends, you just observe, are these numbers nearer to any squares or any cubes? See friends, no. 19, 25, 42, 71, 113. Here 25 is the square of the 5. The remaining are not the nearer to any square of the number or any cube of the number, or nearer to multiples of the previous number also not there. So friends, go for difference. See 19, 25, 42, 71, 113. See friends, what is the difference here? 6. Here what is the difference? 17. Here what is the difference? 42, 71, what is the difference? 9, 2, 29. Here what is the difference? 42. See friends, you just observe what he is doing every time he is adding. And then you just observe, are these numbers nearer to any squares of the numbers or any cubes of the numbers or multiples of the previous number? See friends, 17 is not the multiple of 6, 29 is not the multiple of 17, 42 is not the multiple of 29, or just nearer also no problem. Here 6 3s are 17, okay. 17 3s are how much? 51, but here 29 is there, so that also not correct. Then you go for another difference. Here what is the difference? 11. Here what is the difference? 12. Here what is the difference? 13. See friends, here we got the answer 11, 12, 13. Then definitely here 14 will come. That means what he is doing every time? Plus. Then 42 plus 14 how much? 56. Then here also plus will come. Then answer is 113 plus 56 how much? 169. So answer is 169. See friends, nothing is there. First we have to check whether the given numbers are nearer to any squares or any cubes of the numbers. Here no. Any multiples of the previous number? No. 25 is not the multiple of 19. 42 is not the multiple of 25. Or also 42 is also not nearer to 25 also. See friends, here 71 is not the multiple of 42, 113 is not the multiple of 71. So first fundamental basic is we have to find the difference. I find the difference 6, 17, 29, 42. I just checked the numbers. Are these numbers nearer to any squares or cubes of the numbers? Are multiples of the any number? No. Then again I got the difference 11, 12, 13. Then next one number is 14. Then 42 plus 14 how much? 56. 113 plus 56 how much? 169. So answer is 169. So friend, like these problems will come. Don't fear, you just we can get the answer with our peace of mind. You just concentrate on the problem and then we will get the answer easily. See friends, next problem 21, 35, 30, 44, 39. See friends, first we have to observe what he has given 21, 35, 30, 44, 39. What I am telling you, basic fundamental formula is just to find the difference. See friends, what is the difference here? 14. That means plus 14. Here what is the difference? Minus 5. Here what is the difference? Plus 14 again. Here what is the difference? Again minus 5. Plus 14 minus 5. Plus 14 minus 5. Then what will come? 14 plus 14. Then 39 plus 14 how much? 53. So answer is 53. Is there any difficult difference? Nothing is there. But we have to do the number series problems with our peace of mind, with the utmost concentration. Then easily we will get. If you go with the tension, we won't get the thoughts. See friends, be patient, be cool, and then you go for the answer. Easily we will get. Nothing is there. No need to write the problem also again. I just by reading the numbers itself we will get. Here plus 14 minus 5 plus 14 minus 5 plus 14. Then what he is doing? Plus 39 plus 14 how much? 53. So answer is 53. See friends, next problem. 12, 6.5, 7.5, 17, 72. See friends, in the previous sessions also I discussed, if 0.5 is there in the given numbers, definitely there may be a chance of multiplying with 0.5, 1, 1.5 like that. See friends, if 0.5 is there in the given numbers, definitely there may be a chance, 99% chance is there. Multiplied by 0.5, 1.5, 2.5 like that. See friends, 12, 6.5. See friends, 12, 6.5, 7.5, 17, 72. See friends, what he has done? He has done just 0.5 plus 0.5. See friends, in previous sessions also we have discussed. If this type of problems came, you straight away go for multiply with 0.5 like that we have to check. See, 12 is 6.5 is almost half of the 12. That means 0.5 plus 0.5. Then next 6.5 into 1, that means 6.5. Here 7.5 is there. That means 1 plus 1. Here 1 into 1 plus 1. See friend, what he has done? Here 7.5, 17. That means 7.5 into 2 how much? 15. That means into 2 plus 2. Here 17, 72. See friends, what he is doing here? Into 2. Here into 2. Into 2. Again into 2. Then here into 2. Into 2 means 4 will come. Then again into 2. 4. 17 4s are how much? 68. 68 plus 4, 72. Again here what will come? Into 4 plus 4 into 2, 8. Here into 2, 8. That means into 8 plus 8. See friends, answer is 72 into 8 plus 8. That means 8 2s are 16, 8 7s are 56 plus 1, 57 plus 8. That means 584. 584 is our answer. See friends, is there any difficult? See friends, it is a difficult one only, but if you practice it, then it is very easy. If you practice it, we can get easily. See friends, any number with 0.5 in the given series, definitely there may be a chance for multiplying with 0.5 or 1.5 or 2.5. Like this series definitely will come. See friends, this type of problems, definitely one problem should be there in every examination. 12, 6.5, straight away people will get confusion. Don't need to confusion, don't go for confusion. You straight away, you just check with 0.5 or 1.5 like that, you just check it. Easily you will get. What I have done here, 0.5, 12 half how much? 6 plus 0.5. That means 0.5 into 0.5 plus 0.5. Here 7.5 came, that means 6.5 plus 1. That means into 1 plus 1. Again 7.52 into, 7.5 into 2. That means 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Then I find the logic here. What he is doing? Every time he is multiplying with 2. 0.5 into 2, 1. Again 0.5 into 2, 1. 1 into 2, 2. Here again 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 2, 4. Here also 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. Again 4 into 2, 8. Then 72 into 8, how much? 576 plus 8. That means 584. So answer is 584. See friends, next problem. 463, 220, 139, 112 dash 100. See friends, here somewhat big numbers are there. Whenever big numbers are there, definitely there may be simple logic. See friends, don't fear by seeing the big numbers. If he is given big numbers, definitely there may be a simple logic only. You just find the difference. First, what I am telling you, you just observe, are these numbers are nearer to any squares or any cubes? 463 is not nearer to any square or cube. 220 also same, 139 also same, 112 also same. So you just go for a difference. 463, 220, 139, 112 dash 100. See friends, here what is the difference? 243 minus, here what is the difference? 81 minus, here what is the difference? 27 minus, then this difference should be what? Then again both should be equal. See friends, 243, 81, 27. By seeing these numbers, what we are getting? If you practice more, definitely we will get the logic by seeing this. If you are not practice, means you won't get. By seeing these numbers itself, we will get. When if you practice more number of problems, then definitely we will get by seeing these numbers. Nothing is there. By 3, here by 3. See, 243 by 3, how much? 81. 81 by 3, how much? 27. 27 by 3, how much? 9. What he is doing? 112 minus 9, how much? 103. See friends, we will check. Here again 9. 9 by 3, how much? 3. 103 minus 3, how much? 100. Is there anything special here? Nothing is there. Just find these numbers, whether these are nearer to any squares or cubes. No. Are these are the multiples of the previous number? No. Go for the difference. Find the difference. I have find the difference. 243, 81, 27. Then if you practice more, definitely by seeing these numbers, definitely we will get the logic. 243 by 3, 81. Again 81 by 3, 27. 27 by 3, 9. So 112 minus 9, 103. Again we will cross check also. 9 by 3, how much? 3. 103 minus 3, 100. So this series is correct. So answer is how much? 103. See friends, don't fear. You just observe the numbers, what he has given, what we have to find. Easily we will get the answer. See friends, next problem. 17, 30, 21, 34, 25. See friends, if you practice more number of problems, 60% of the problems, by seeing the problem itself, we can solve it. Remaining 40, okay, no problem. 1 or 2 seconds it will take. But some problem, 60% of the problems, while reading the problem itself, directly we will get the answer. See friends, what he has given here, 17, 30, 21, 34, 25. What is there? Nothing is there, see friends. He added 13, here minus 9, here 13, here again minus 9. 13 minus 9 13, that means plus 13 minus 9 plus 13 minus 9. Here what will come? Plus 13 will come. 25 plus 13, how much? 38. Answer is 38. See friends, nothing is there, no logic, nothing is there. Sometimes this type of simple problems will come. Examination is the mixing of critical problems, simple problems and average problems. Some problems are very much easy. If you save the time by solving this type of problems, then we can use the time, the remaining time, in English or some other topics. Then only we can achieve good number of marks and job. Otherwise, if you take much time to solve these problems, we won't get the time to solve the remaining problems. See friends.